All right, welcome to Business Math Chapter 3, Record Keeping. This one's going to be pretty quick. It's not going to be too terribly long. So, Lesson 3.1, Average Monthly Expenditures. Make sure you've read the section, you've looked at the formulas and the examples that go with that section to get everything that you need to start these worksheets. Don't just assume that everything is going to be on these worksheets and it's going to make complete sense without going through that first. All right, so let's look at this one. You can manage your money better by keeping an accurate record of your expenditures. You will be able to evaluate your spending habits by keeping detailed records for a number of months. So, your average monthly expenditures just simply equals the sum of your monthly expenditures, so all of them added together, divided by the number of months that you're looking at. So, it gives you an average. About how much do you normally spend on any one month? So, this first table here just says complete the table below. So it wants you to go through and just add them up. What is your average monthly? So you need to add up each one of these. And then you're going to need to divide to get this answer by 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? There's 4 months there. So you're going to do the same thing for each one of these. You're going to add them up, divide by 4. Super easy calculation there. So I'm not going to do those ones for you. Number 5 and 6 just simply says in the table above who had the highest average expenditure. So, who's got the biggest amount here, and then who has the lowest average expenditure, so who spent the least on average. So you're just throwing a name on those two lines. The next one here, actually the next couple, really no big deal on the calculations here. So Jacob's expenditures for the past 7 months were, and then it lists all of the expenditures. So you're simply just going to add them up. Add them up and divide by 7. I got 7 because it told me 7 months. That's how many months were in there. So you're going to do the same thing on this one, but this time you're going to divide by 3. It's telling us there are 3 months. So nothing super crazy going on there. And then this next one, so it tells us 9 months. So we're still going to, I didn't mean to undo that last one there. Craziness. So that 3 months was underlined before it undid it when I came down here. So we have 9 months. We know we're going to add everything up and divide by 9 months. Make sure that you understand extra information. So you use the utility company's budget plan for paying your home heating bills. You pay $75 a month for 9 months. Your actual bills are, so this is extra information. You pay this $75, but it's kind of extra information. They're not really, it's included already in these ones. So your actual bills are for September, October, November. You're going through, so you're going to add them together and divide by 9, and that'll give you your average for the 9 months. So just, be aware of some extra information there. The algebra one here, not super crazy. So remember, algebra doesn't mean it's going to be harder. It just means we're being introduced with some information. We need to think about how to apply the information to what we know. Mary Rose pays her auto insurance premiums quarterly. So remember, that means 4 times a year. That's what quarter means. Her annual premium last year was $1,640. When she increased her deductibles in the middle of the year, her quarterly premium was reduced by $45. What was her quarterly premium for each of the last 2 quarters of the year? So if we pay attention to this, we know that her payments will be $1,640 divided by 4. So she's going to be paying $410. That's her normal payment. But then she changed her deductible. Sorry, she increased it. So by increasing her deductible, they're actually going to charge her less because she's willing to pay more out of pocket. So it went down by $45. So her quarterly premium was reduced by $45. So this is said kind of funny. It means it went down a total of $45, not each quarter. So it's a little bit funny in the wording there. So if it went down $45 each quarter and we have 2 quarters left, we're going to divide by 2. So it went down $22 $50 for the quarter. Each quarter it's going down by that much. And they want to know how much was her quarterly premium for those last 2 months. We're going to take what she normally pays and just subtract what it went down by. So we're just simply subtracting here, and that'll give you what she's going to be paying for those last 2 quarters. So I'll let you do that last bit of calculation there. So I hope that helped. I know it was kind of quick, but I will see you in section 2.